Yep. So I'm at SWEEEP Kuusakoski, one of the UK's largest waste electrical device recycling plants. And this is extraordinary to think that the massive pile behind me represents about a tenth of what's going to arrive today. Crazier still is that this is 30% of what is actually taken from UK households. The other 70% ends up in landfill, incineration, or frankly, God knows where, fly tipping, all sorts of chaos like that. And what's extraordinary is actually looking at this pile, it really brings it home to you that I've actually worked at some of the companies that produce some of these goods. And so it really is impressed on you the importance of your role as a designer to make sure that things can be actually, disassembled appropriately in a place like this, that it's safe, it doesn't cause fires, but ideally that when it comes to the end of, say, its life with a particular battery, that could be repaired and it could be upgraded and kept in play. And I think it really is just extraordinary to see the scale of somewhere like this and really reflect on what things could be done that are easy wins for designers and companies alike, that just make consumers more mindful and also more excited to treasure their possessions and keep them out of a place like this for as long as possible.